Brayden's at preschool. Jumping in the balls. Was that fun? Yeah. Here's Ashley sitting outside the ball pit and playing with balls. Bless you. Uh-oh. Careful, Brayden. Wow. Is it fun in there, Brayden? Do you want some balls to come back to you? Careful. Here comes Jaden to play with you, Brayden. Brayden and Jaden. And another little girl, too. Yay! What's wrong? What's going on, Ashley? Is this fun? Is preschool fun, Ashley?
Be careful.
It's a little advanced, I know. Oh, it's starting to almost crawl. Almost starting to crawl. And here comes Brayden. He's very busy and very important. He's putting a slow sign next to the balls. What is that, Ashley? Oh, it's down on the ground.